Carlota's cooking class. Carlota came home from cooking class feeling sad. She had been excited about taking the class because her best friend Marisol was taking it too. "Is something wrong, Carlota?" her mother asked. Carlota told her mother about the food they were cooking in class. "There's nothing fun to eat," Carlota exclaimed. "I asked Mrs. Lopez if we could make pizza, but she said that we couldn't make everyone's favorite food." Carlota's mother smiled. "Maybe you'll cook something you like next week. Let's just wait." Carlota arrived at the next cooking class, hoping that they would make something good. "Hello, everyone. It's hot tonight, so I thought that we could make a cold treat," Mrs. Lopez said. Ms. Lopez started to pass out the recipes. The students were sure it would be something boring, like cold soup. "It's ice cream!" Ben called out as he read the recipe. "It's true," Carlota told Marisol. After she looked at it, they both loved ice cream. Ms. Lopez taped a copy of the recipe to the wall near the refrigerator. Then she put all the ingredients on the table so that everyone could see them. Ice cream. 1 cup milk. 2 tablespoons sugar. Half tablespoon vanilla. 1 pint plastic bag with zipper lock. 1 gallon plastic bag with zipper lock. 6 tablespoons rock salt. Ice. Pour milk, sugar, and vanilla into the small bag and close the bag tightly. Fill half of the large bag with ice and add salt. Put the small bag inside the large bag and close the large bag. Turn the bag over again and again until the milk turns into ice. Ms. Lopez divided the class into pairs so Carlota and Marisol worked together. Each pair was in charge of one part of the recipe. "Carlota, you and Marisol need to make sure that we have enough milk for everyone's ice cream. We need 1 cup of milk for each person," Ms. Lopez said. "There are 16 people here," Carlota said, "so we'll need 16 cups of milk." They walked over to the table where Ms. Lopez had put the milk. "That looks like a lot more than 16 cups of milk," said Marisol. "This says that it is 1 quart, Carlota said, picking up one of the milk cartons. "How can we figure out how many quarts we'll need to get 16 cups?" Carlota and Marisol were quiet as they considered the problem. Since the whole recipe depended on how much milk they used, they didn't want to make a mistake. "First, we have to find out how many cups there are in a quart," Carlota said. She filled a measuring cup with water and poured it into a quart jug. Marisol and Carlota counted 4 cups to fill the jug. "There are 4 cups in a quart," explained Marisol. "Since 4 times 4 equals 16, and we need 16 cups, we'll need 4 quarts of milk." Carlota and Marisol took turns measuring milk for everyone's ice cream. "Thank you for telling us that there are 4 cups in a quart," said Ms. Lopez. Carlota and Marisol had fun mixing the ingredients together, flipping them over again and again in the large bag. "I can feel the milk turning into ice cream," said Carlota as she rolled the bag. She couldn't wait to taste what they had made. When Carlota's mother picked her up after class, Carlota was smiling. "It seems like you had a good time at cooking class tonight," her mother said. "What did you make?" "We made ice cream," said Carlota. "Now I'll never complain about cooking class again."